Got him. Big. Oh my gosh. Trying to tire this thing out. This thing is not giving up. Get over here. No. Come here, come here. Come here, come here, come here. What is up, everybody? Fish Hawk here. Hope you guys are having a great day. If you're new here, consider subscribing. I put out new videos every single week. In this video, I'm doing some river fishing for smallmouth bass. We have a big rainstorm coming in about 3 to 4 hours, so I don't have much time. I'm gonna get after it and hopefully catch some. Stay tuned. Today, I'm gonna start out with a jig head and a paddle tail swim bait. Let's give it a shot. Today, I'm using a 6'6" medium light St. Croix Premier rod, Dawa Fuego 2500, 8-pound test P-line fluorocarbon. I'll leave a link to all the gear I'm using today down in the description if you want to check it out. Come on, smallmouth. All right, I tried the swim bait out, got hung up and broke off. So I'm actually going to switch and try this lipless crankbait. This could get me some good reaction strikes, and this is the Goby color. All right, let's see if I can get some reaction strikes. If this don't work, I can always try something else. There he is. Nice fish. Real nice fish. Holy moly. This thing is pulling so hard. Oh, I got a freaking catfish. What the heck? I don't know if he swiped at it. He's hooked in the fin. I don't know if he went for it or not. That's a pretty decent channel cat. First fish of the day. There he goes. He slammed me. I have caught catfish on blade bait, so it's very possible he swiped at it and just missed it, because it was towards the front of his body. Just broke off our lipless crank. Now what? We are going to try a Ned rig. We could try the old Ned rig out, see what happens. Got him. Smallie, yay, that's what we're after. Just a little fella. Oh, man, do these things fight or what? They don't know when to give up. That's a chunky little smallie. See you, buddy. The old Ned rig strikes. All right, guys, I'm switching to a tube. Let's see what happens. Got him. Just a little fella. Finally got one. All right, there's some much bigger ones in there than that. Got him. Big. Oh yeah. Nice smallie. Oh my gosh. Oh, what a chunk. Come on, buddy. Come on, stop jumping. Oh my gosh. Come on, buddy. Does not want to come up here. What a freaking tank. He's got a fishing line down his throat. He broke somebody off. Look at that. We're gonna help you out here, buddy. We're gonna get this other line out of your mouth. We got that line out. Now I just gotta get my hook out. All right. Let's give him a little breather here. It's a freaking whopper. Absolute bruiser. Let's go. That's what we came here for. All right, guys, we're gonna try this Ned rig out, see what happens. Got him. Oh, nice chunk. Oh yeah. No, you don't. No, you don't. Quit jumping. Quit jumping. You're making it hard on me. Get out of that current. Another chunker. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, the little Ned got you. One last look at you. Beautiful. Super healthy. There he goes. All right, let's keep it going. Rain's coming soon. Got him. Nice one. Back-to-back casts. Stay down, stay down. Oh, good Lord. Oh, he's not that big. You fooled me, buddy. You fooled me. Man, even these small guys fight so hard. Look at this. They use that current. They know what they're doing. Oh yeah, come here, buddy. I'm gonna let you go. Oh yeah. We ain't gonna complain about that at all. We ain't gonna complain about that at all. Beauty. See you, buddy. I got a fish. Oh my gosh. It's a nice one, guys. Real nice. Oh. Please don't go down there. Oh my gosh. Trying to tire this thing out. Goodness, this thing is not giving up. Oh my gosh, what a fish. Yes! Let's freaking go. Holy sh! Let's go. Let's get this baby back in. One last look. Look at that freaking beast. Starting to rain. I'm gonna retie after that one because that knot is pretty weak after all the stress it was under. Got him. Oh my gosh, another monster. Oh my gosh, another monster. Bigger than the one I just caught. Come on. No. No, 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 no. Get over here. No. Please stop jumping. No. Please stop jumping. No. Come here, come here. Come here, come here, come here. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. I don't have a net like an idiot. I got him. I got you. Oh my gosh, this one might be bigger. Goodness gracious. That's a freaking hoss. There she goes. Man, that was intense. Thing swam between my legs and then my line got wrapped around my feet. And I was doing all kinds of crazy dancing, trying to get the line out from under my leg and under my feet. But we got her. Rain is starting to come down, so I don't have much time left, but I'm gonna keep it going. The way I'm catching these fish is looking for eddies in slow water, just casting to it and working this Ned rig real slow on the bottom, and they're crushing it. Well guys, I think the storm is here. It's starting to rain, and I have a long walk back to the truck. So, with that being said, I think I'm gonna call it a day. I've caught some really, really nice smallmouth bass. I've only been out here about 2 hours, so I can't complain with the amount of fish I caught and the quality of fish I caught. Caught them all on a Ned rig. This one right here, I think it's called Copper Truce, maybe? Z-Man. And I also caught, I think, 2 on a tube. I'll leave all that information down in the description if you guys wanna check out the products. Oh, I was reeling the Ned rig back in and this little guy just smoked it. I was reeling it in to make another cast. Come here, buddy. You might be the smallest one of the day. Come here, come here, come here, little buddy. I want you to grow big just like those other ones I caught today, okay? Grow big and strong, buddy. Oh, there he goes. All right, guys, that's going to do it for today. Rain's coming down. I got a long walk back to the truck, so I don't want to get wet. I'm going to call it a day. Can't complain. I only fished for about 2.5 hours and caught some really, really nice fish. So it was a great day. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you guys are new to my channel and you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also give me a thumbs up. It'll really help me out. All the information for the gear I used will be down in the description. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for watching. Fish Hawk out.